In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted Gmail account. This is a crucial process if you've accidentally deleted your Gmail account and need to regain access to your emails, contacts, and other linked Google services. Let's dive right into the steps to efficiently recover your account. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Account Recovery. This is the official page provided by Google specifically for cases like this, where users need assistance retrieving their accounts. Once you're there, you'll need to enter the deleted Gmail address you're hoping to recover. Make sure you type it in correctly, as this will guide the recovery process. Next, Google will prompt you with a message asking if you want to recover a deleted account. At this stage, you'll need to click on the option that says, "Yes, try to restore," or a similar option that is presented to you. This indicates to Google that you indeed want to proceed with recovering your account. Now comes the critical step of verifying your identity. Google will ask you to confirm some information to ensure that you are the rightful owner of the account. You may be asked to enter the last password you remember using with this account. If you can recall this, it will greatly aid in the recovery process. Additionally, if you've set up a recovery email or phone number, Google might send a verification code to these. Be ready to access the recovery email or your phone to retrieve this code. You might also encounter security questions that you set up previously, so keep any relevant information in mind. Remember, the more accurate the information you provide, the better your chances of successfully recovering your account. Once your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to reset your password. This new password should be both strong and unique to ensure the security of your account going forward. Consider combining letters, numbers, and special characters to create something that's hard to guess but easy for you to remember. After resetting your password, go ahead and log into your Gmail account. Once logged in, it's important to check that all your data, including emails, contacts, and other linked Google services, are back in place. Take a moment to browse through your folders and check for any discrepancies. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered your deleted Gmail account. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your important data without much hassle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful